Hi, fourth grade. You did such a great job on that last one. I want to look at one more with you, so I think you're ready for this challenge. Remember that our theme for this year is challenge accepted, and I know you'll do a great job at this. In this problem, you'll be solving a two-step word problem using a tape diagram, and then we're going to check to see if our answer was reasonable. I'm going to go ahead and read this to you, but follow along as I read it. A company has 3 locations with 70,100 employees altogether. The first location has 34,857 employees. The second location has 17,595 employees. How many employees work in the third location? Well, I remember one of the instructions before I began said that I was going to model with a tape diagram. One of the first things that I noticed in here was that it had 3 locations. And it had 70,100 employees altogether. I'm circling and underlining this information because I think it's maybe pretty important. The first location had how many? You got it, 34,857 employees. Second location has how many employees? Nice work, 17,595. Do we know how many work at the third location? Nope, not yet. And if you are thinking that's our variable, you're absolutely correct. So I'm going to start by drawing my tape diagram. Again, this does not need to be the most beautiful piece of artwork that you have drawn before. It just needs to be efficient. I'm going to go in order here just because that's going to help me be able to visualize this. And this time, I'm going to put a label below this just because I think this will help me keep my information organized. So I have first location, second location, and third location. Going back, I notice here that I knew how many employees altogether. That's my in all. So I'm going to write that number up here as I know this is how many it is going to equal to. Okay, so my first location here. How many employees worked at that first location? You're right, 34,857. In our second location, you got it, 17,595. Do I know how many is working in my third location? Nope, not yet. I can use a variable. I'm going to label that as C this time. Okay. So now what am I going to do with this information? What information do I have? Well, I know that I have my total amount. What else do I know? I know how many is in my first location and second location. How would I solve that? If you said we could add them together and then subtract from our total, you were correct. Go ahead and try that. Add your first location and second location together since it is part of our whole. And then try subtracting from our total. Go ahead and try that. Do not advance the video yet until you have tried that.